Hi guys, it's me again, Pherl. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to Pherl TV. How to remove the eyes of the pineapple. Guys, in today's video, you are watching my spouse removing all the eyes of the pineapple. It's very much easy. You just need to peel off the pineapple, and then later on you need to cut that way in order for you, triangular cut, in order for you to get all the eyes of the pineapple. It's that easy. That's so easy, okay? You just need to have a sharp knife, guys, in order for you to easily remove the said eyes of the pineapple. Be very careful, guys. For a sharp knife is very much we call this delikado ba? Ayun. So ayan, ganyan kabilis, guys. Galing Batangas daw yan, guys, na pinya na yan, okay? So ayun, sobrang masarap talaga siya at matamis, perfect, okay? So if this is your first time watching in my channel, okay, please don't forget to give a like, comment, and subscribe. And ring the bell button in order for you to get updated whenever I posted up a new vlog. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. God bless.